Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Anjum Padhyal, Associate Professor, Deshbandhu College. Also, expert matter with NGO Society for Sports and Fitness Development, which is running an Institute for Sports and Fitness Development. Its department, Asht Yoga, is affiliated with Yoga Alliance USA. Under that, various courses of yoga, Ayurveda, therapeutic healing, sound healing courses are running, which this institute prepares trainers, nutritionists, and Institute for Sports and Fitness Development is affiliated with NBFE, National Board of Fitness Examiner, Florida, USA. So today we are going to talk about Ayurveda courses, and recently certified Ayurveda nutritionist is going to talk. I would like to introduce Arfia Tambe. So, Arfia, tell us
Hello, ma'am.
something about your background, how you have started, what is your educational background, what is your professional affiliations, and what made you interested in Ayurveda. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. I, Arfia Tambi from Mumbai, India. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak. Okay. I'm a professor and trainer since 12 years. And after completing the Ayurvedic nutritionist from your institute, I feel so proud to call myself a certified Ayurvedic nutritionist.
Wow.
And I'm proud to have such that. And coming to my education background, I did my graduation from commerce stream from SNDT College, that is a regular course. And then I did my master's in HR, that is also a regular course from the Manikan Nanavati Women's College. And second I have done from master training program course. I did from corporate training,
Oh,
and
wow.
currently I'm preparing myself for entrance PhD entrance exam.
You will definitely go through.
And then,
You'll get.
ma'am, I was from SNT University. So after 12th standard, like my subjects were different from Mumbai University, and my subjects were like English, environmental, and so on. Wherein it was a combination of the arts, commerce, and basic science of
Yeah.
basic science subjects. It was because my university was so my university was like SNT University, affiliated to SNT. They have their own university, and I'm proud of it. I had won many talented awards since nursery and after master's degree, and I was the first topper in the semester four during the master course, and had won the the best talent student coach of the year award too, and I also won the first prize in the teaching competition.
Wow. That's so beautiful. I am proud
So
that you have joined our institution.
thank you so much.
So
So
let me tell everyone that whatever affiliations and whatever recognitions and awards she is mentioning, I would like to give a message to the younger generation and even generation from my era also. People are talking about work smart, not hard. But let me tell you, I'm also topper from Asia's best university, best college of physical education and sports sciences. It is always a hard work. What Arfia is narrating that she has won so many accolades during her journey throughout the educational journey. So that is a hard work, and let me tell you why I'm saying she will get through with the PhD entrance also, because she is not only a hardworking, she is having a very good analytical ability. For that, she worked so hard to reach the depth of the subject, to even know a person in depth. So can you narrate how
thank
you found me and what you all did, all the research you did on me? Please go
Oh,
ahead.
ma'am, first of all, I would like to add, when COVID-19 pandemic hit the world badly, and the first and foremost home remedy that surfaced on social media was homemade kada. You know, from nutritionists to medical experts, everyone started suggesting that, drinking the drink 2 to 3 cups of karas daily, and prefer kara like early in the morning, and so
Yeah.
I was noticing everything, and kara has been a part of Ayurvedic for years, and and refers to like a herbal drink, right? And that is made by boiling the herbal or plants material, which may include stems, roots, bark, etc. So before joining your institute, I had done lots of online research because online research is like my part of my journey. I would add, I'd like to
Right.
add. So I have done online research related nutrition and dietitian courses due to the Kara and due to the COVID, the COVID-19 has been affected. So I had done lots of online research related nutrition and dietitian courses, but I didn't like any institute. And at the end, I came across with one of the institute website that was yours. Seriously, mom, you won't believe it. I mean, I ended with your website, and it was mentioned first, Institute for Sports and Fitness Development, like it was the institute name. I said it sounds really good, something unique. You are something sports and fitness and something. Let me go to check it out the courses of yours, and then I thought, no, it is fraud because there were two same websites on the Google with the same name.
Yeah.
I guess slightly it was a change, ma'am. But then I said, let me cross verify. So I cross verify with the address, then contact number, and I said, yeah, it's good. I said, let me check the owner. Who's the owner? Then it was your name. I said, now I should research on your name. Then I
Right.
researched on your name, and ma'am, it's really true. You won't believe it. Like, I had researched on your name. Like, who are you? Let me check who is training me. If
Yeah.
see, it's not about just to learn. I don't wanted to learn something. I wanted to really explore myself, really upgrade my knowledge. So I thought, let me think. It's not about the matter of money or something. I was enthusiastic to learn about the course, and I really wanted to help the society. So I said, let me go through it, and I checked out your name on YouTube. Then on Google Chrome, I found your resume, and it was like, wow, she's a professor. Oh, she's professor in such university, and she has started her own institute. That's really something interesting. I was yeah, it's something really interesting. So I had watched your on YouTube many videos or your lectures videos as well, like how you are teaching. And I should know like how do you are teaching me. If you're not teaching me good, so then I'm not going to join. So your lectures have really motivated me, and then and it really made me more confident that it is a genuine website and you are running the institute. So let's watch your YouTube many more videos at least a week, and then sorry, at least a week, and then I will try to enroll in your institute. Just a second, I'm
Right.
sorry.
So friends को बताते हैं that my course coordinator Yogesh called me up that she wanted to talk to you, and she's saying I'm just joining this institute because of her. I love her teaching, and that's why if only she is going to conduct the course, she's going to teach, then only I'll join. I don't bother what is the name of institute and who is running. So classes has to be taken by her. So right now I'm in Los Angeles, so I had to coordinate the timing, and then I called her, and yeah, the way she told me each of my video, what I have talked about, what I have discussed, and I said, wow, Arfia, I never knew somebody is doing such a research on me and becoming fan of mine. Thank you so much. It's so close
Ma'am,
to my
even
heart.
ma'am, you won't believe it. You can ask sir, he must have he must be having a call record. You just ask him, like, I have called him twice, like, where is ma'am? I would like to talk to her, I would like to confirm because I was still I was not sure, and I wanted to
Right.
confirm. Like,
Yeah, he
it
told
is
me.
more than
He told me. I said, when to call, because it's a day and night difference. So I feel awkward that calling someone, at 10 o'clock in the night. And right now also we are recording, and in India it is 10:30, 11 o'clock right now. So that's the problem
11:30,
with the
11:30.
timings. Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so,
So we have talked and then we have connected.
yeah. Ma'am, I used to get inspired daily by your words. Like the one sentence which I will always remember of yours is that your mission is to prepare, my mission is to prepare millions of trainers and nutritionists so that they can help their society to regain their health and they can earn well with their professional region. You know,
Yeah.
I do
I'm
remember
on my
yours,
mission. Yes.
and that's really true, ma'am. I do agree with your words. And ma'am, like
Yeah.
not only this, you had ended with some words as well, like not some words. I mean, you have ended with some line, like you are going to support with the you're going to support your students with the diet plan for lifetime. That was something that really motivated me more to join your institute. And such sentences had really, it feels like, you are not just thinking about yourself, you are thinking about the society as well. So I said, yes, something, which, I mean, you are something like, which I think in myself, yes, this is something like slightly carbon copy of yours.
That's because when I got paralytic during my pregnancy, no help was there. Medical sciences was quiet, and they left me like any, just like that. Okay, it's not curing, so now we cannot do anything. Reports are all normal, so there was no help. So that's another mission of mine, that I just don't want anybody to left behind because of some physical inability or disease or tragedy. And I wanted to see where the sciences get failed. It's a failure of sciences if we are not able to cure anyone. So that's why hand holding is why I'm offering hand holding throughout the life, because if any of my students who are joining my mission, they come across with such a case, I can help them. And if we need to involve more and more scientists, researchers from different universities across the globe, I would go to that extent to help that person or to cure that person, definitely. So, after the course, you have treated your first patient.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
yeah, yeah, yeah. The day I completed the course from your institute, I had, like I told my mother, I completed the course of Ayurvedic nutritionist. So now tell me whom you want me to give a diet plan. She told me, I'll give you many patients if you succeed to make my mother stand on her feet. I said, oh, really? I have accepted the challenge. I told her, okay, done. So my grandmother was in bed since 10 years. And even, the next video, we can even talk with the testimonials. Like, they had seen from their own eyes and they know what my grandmother's condition was. So she was not able to move her legs. And, she was not able to move her legs, without the support. Without the support, of course. So now she is like, she can move her legs without the support. And then, she can even try to sit on without, she can try to sit as well. Yes, I'm really happy. Like, yes, I had done something. And, this case was there immediately after I finished the course. My mother was
Right.
like, no, you have to go ahead. You have to. And what I had recommended, I had I had recommended her white sesame oil after considering from you. And you were the one who told me, like, ma'am, I had discussed with you about her case. So you told me, like, Archana, you recommend her such kind, white sesame oil and change her diet. So I had put timings and, I had recommended her to drink aloe vera gel juice. And so same thing, she had followed everything. My servant had, everything she had followed. I told my servant to look after her, like she's the one. So apart from like diet plan, I had told her to reduce the meat portion as well, because I do remember your words during the course. You used to say like, it is not just about the food timing. We need to reduce the meat portion as well. So you were the one, we have our recorded videos as well, the training videos and so on. So I used to watch those videos again and again. So, if I forget some of the other things, you are the one, because in your video lectures, everything is like completed. And it's a deep knowledge you had given during the course. So like, it's not like I have to open the book and I have to check it out. So after 15 days, my grandmother was able, after 15 days, not just 1 month or something. After 15 days, my grandmother was able to move her legs by her own, and we all were so happy. After looking at my grandmother, my mother got so happy more than me, and she said she had started moving her legs by her own, and she's able to get up now, and she's even able to sit by her own. But she's trying to stand. She's trying to stand. Previously, she was not that confident, because I mean, the pain relief must have been reduced. So of course, she must be trying to stand by her own, right? So I told her it will take time, but even one day she will succeed in that as well. So that's
Right.
really good news for us. And I'm sure one day she will stand by her own feet. So my main,
Of course. And it is after 10 years, she's just trying to stand up and move her leg. These are the blessings I'm counting on because it's why I'm spreading the knowledge and why I'm motivating people to join more and more courses of mine because I have gone through. During that time, I have read and my mother have read so many books. We have prepared so many preparations, kadha, concoctions, what not to cure myself because we had to find the answer by ourselves. Nobody, no help was there. And I'm talking about way back in 1995. No Google Gyan, no journals, no books available. So procuring even the books and notes were so difficult that's why I have designed a course like that all the PPT, all the lecture recording has to be provided to the students so that they can revise, they can go ahead. Sometimes we miss here and there. That's very important for getting along with the course. And yeah, one thing you told me that my sister or someone told you that it's not difficult, it's quite difficult.
yeah, my youngest
Yeah.
sister said, like, you are, I mean, how can you cope up with such studies? I said, I mean, it's fine. I know the basic, but then, of course, Ayurvedic is everything like food, which it's like which we are going to use the food, of course, right? Ayurvedic medicines is through the food itself, I guess, right? Yes, ma'am. It's not guess, I'm sure about it. So, I was confident, and the moment I had joined your institute, I was more and more confident. Like,
Thank
yes,
you.
you are a
Thank you
one,
so much.
because, ma'am, sometimes like institutions are important, but institution names are also important. Institution name is also important, but then, of course, even faculties are the most important. How the way they are teaching, that is really, really, really important. Frankly speaking, I do
True.
believe that.
I'm trying to bridge that gap between yoga and Ayurveda, the knowledge and the real application of that knowledge in a practical sense. Because most of the time people think about that they are too difficult subjects that we cannot go through with it without having a degree or diploma. But I have made all the certificate courses of mine so simple. And let me tell you to all the friends who are watching this video of ours, it is a heart to heart talk with each other, mentor and mentee. Um, in my courses and even in my 3 days workshop of Ayurveda, I make my students to prepare the diet plan itself from the second day of the lecture. And the first task is go ahead with yourself and your family and friends. They are the first clients of yours, which can give you the confidence how you are tackling a different body with different disease or different conditions with different age group and even different genders. So this is very important. It is not just taking the procuring only the certificates and just piling them up, and even then you don't know after finishing so many courses what to do and where to start. So that's the hand holding we are offering, and I'm very glad because I I need blessings. We all need blessings. Curing someone, helping someone to come through, to receive their life back. That is very, very important. Everybody should be hale and healthy and happy. In today's world, we call it a science era. So when the sciences are on their peak, the health of human species should be on optimum. And here comes the COVID. So that is the worry point of me, that we have to deal with our body, and this is the most ancient wisdom and science is available. It's the history is 4,000 and 5,000 years ago, but they talked all about body, mind, and soul. So tackling all these three phenomena of our life, our human species, is very, very important. And medicines or medical sciences comes after the disease take a very huge toll or extreme. So it is always, prevention is better than cure. So through these courses, yoga and Ayurveda, gym training courses, aerobic training courses, I am really on my mission to prepare million trainers, and people like you are joining me. Doctors are joining my mission. They I have trained so many doctors who already practicing Ayurveda and naturopathy, but still they say, ma'am, the simplification you have delivered in your lecture had made us not only more confident, but really we can apply this knowledge. So thank you so much, Arfia, for joining me during my courses and even during my workshops. Many workshops, Arfia just come and join with my first day, my opening lecture, and motivate people. Thank you so much for sparing your time for the society. I can see the zeal in you to cure the society, to work for the society, and that, I think that's the connection we have. That's the connection, we found in each other. Thank you so much. Anything else? You can, conclude the remarks from your side. About the earning also. Yes, people talk about the, ask question about how much we can earn, because right now earning is again, burning issue because of the COVID. So go ahead with the earning point also. That's a very
You know,
important point for me.
first I would like to add, I had treated more than 12 patients, 12 patients, and not just 12 patients, right? But I would say, like, out of 12, all 12 patients had cured
Wow.
positively, ma'am. One patient was suffering from, she was getting a chest pain continuously, and she was having a very severe problem, like, she was not able to sleep. And so I have treated such kind of patients as well, for joint pains as well. Then my grandmother, I got very, it was 12 marking for me, but man, trust me, I have earned more than, like, I would say, like, it is unexpected from me, really, ma'am. Like, I was in this much I'm earning. Wow, it sounds really good. Like, I would add, like, it's more than 30 and above. See, being a, ma'am, you just imagine, I don't even have an experience. You were the supporting one, who supports me every time. I would not add, like, who was supporting, but I would say you are still supporting me each and every day. Like, yes, Archana, this is the one, you should follow the diet. This is the one. Okay, fine. So, your words really motivated me each and everywhere. So I still remember, like, yes, I should use your words, and I should, some people really, I have never given any of my patients, like, I've not given them such kind of a long diet. I have focused on your words. You said, like, focused what they should not run away from the
Yeah.
diet. So I have just, reduced some portions slowly, 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 and then I had stopped. And then I had, I got a very good positive response. Along with the diet, I had become, yes, I would like to add very most important thing, ma'am. Previously I was, when I have not joined your institute, when I have not joined your institute, you won't believe it. Like, I was not able to read the medicine's ingredients, what is there inside it. and it was very difficult for me. So, when I had joined, when I completed the course, yes, this is really important for me to know because, what is there inside the
Right.
medicine? I mean, what they are using it, how much percent it is, for what it is, why mg, everything. So, I would say like it is a tip of tongue, like, I know the medicine's name, Ayurvedic medicine's name, and I've become very expert.
Wow.
you can ask me, you can ask me any medicine's name, I would like to answer on it. And apart from it, nowadays, if I want to give it to any patient, like, outside Ayurvedic medicine, if they don't want to go with the diet, then yes, of course, I follow, Ayurvedic medicines like aloe vera, forever living product, which is
Right.
completely Ayurvedic one. So if people don't want to go with, even that medicine is made up of food, ma'am, if
Food.
we go with this way or go with this way, so ultimately we are going to it at one place. So that is
Right.
also made of, the food one. What we are giving them is if they are tired of having all together. So yes, of course, we have to follow. They have to follow our diet as well. We have to give them a diet. Along with it, I recommend them the Ayurvedic medicines and very good positive and positive reply, ma'am, from each and every patient. They are happy, and I would like to add, like, in the next video, you can even take their testimonials and you can call them on live video and they can have a virtual conversation with you. Like, yes, they had the progress to such things. In
Yeah,
fact, you
because
won't believe, ma'am, they have tried many medicines, like, many medicines. But they said we have done many expenses on medicines, but the result, see, ma'am, the body is not same of
yeah,
everyone. Your body, my, it's like, everyone's body is inside what toxins and, this all is different. It's not same.
true. That's the basis of my developing my courses and my certificate to consider. It has to be personalized approach. It has to be customized approach. You cannot give same diet plan to everyone because every condition, the body is different, prakriti is different, what Ayurveda talks. So diet means dieting, people correlate like that, but in Ayurveda, it's the beauty of Ayurveda is food is medicine. So
Yeah.
eat well, have full stomach, no need to deprive yourself or go for the hunger strike to reduce down your weight or to manage your disease. And about the medicines, right, the modern medicines or allopathic, what we call, every medicine has a side effect. Even when doctor prescribe medicine, they always tell you have to eat these medicines, but it is going to have a side effect in a longer term.
Yes.
It comes
You
with a
later on
package,
it can affect.
yeah, it's a
Ayurvedic
package.
works slow, but it works permanently. It goes
Because
permanently.
it's
Got,
curing your
got
body
the point.
deeply. It is changing
Yes,
the
yes.
internal environment, and yoga and Ayurveda is all about changing the internal environment, because you are
Yes.
the product of outer environment. Whatever you are eating from, whatever you are getting from your environment, you are product of that. But internally your body is different, that's why it is behaving differently. So if you set the internal environment, if you change the internal environment slowly, gradually, people, they just don't know what we are doing to them, and after getting the results, my patient always say, I don't know what she did with us, I don't know what she did, but I can recommend you. And when they come to me and they always say, whatever you have done to me, just do it with my friend also, cure her, cure him. Because people fail to understand what we are doing with them. We are their friend asks, okay, you must have done a severe dieting, that's why you are reducing so fast. They will say, no, we are eating much more than previous one. We are now eating 5 times, but our timings are adjusted. Okay, so you must be following a very rigid timetable. No, they have asked our timetable, our routine, and then they have set the time according to my comfort. Okay, this is not there. Any other medicine substitute something? No. So any favorite food is deprived? No. They have allowed us to chole bhature even on Sundays, parathas. Okay, so that makes people amazed, and that's why I am going ahead with these type of success stories of my student who are using these certificate courses and this knowledge in practical application. Because now if you are curing 12 patients, you're taking care of your grandmother, it's a blessing to the society also, because fit citizen can make fit nation. So we all are, we have to handhold each other, and let's make our society, and longevity is, in question now. So if we eat healthy, if we following our ancient sciences and wisdom, and if we can make comfortable, people comfortable and cure their disease, it's a win-win position. It's a win-win situation. Thank you so much, Arfia, for sparing time. I know today you had a very hectic day, but somehow we have coordinated in odd hour. And
Ma'am, one more thing I would like to add.
yeah, go ahead.
my my words are not going to stop. I'm so sorry, ma'am.
No, no,
You
go
know,
ahead. Thank you so much.
after finishing your course, I started studying MBBS subjects, subject entrance exam, what they, FMGE exam, the questions, and I've studied all 19 subjects. And I have studied all medical, Vedic science, medicines as well. Everything I prepared along with my sister was studying. She was appearing for, and you know,
Wow.
he was preparing, and even I was sitting along with her, and that's what I was busy continuously for past 3 months.
That's when
And
people
everything
ask
was
me,
possible because of Ayurvedic. I came, I
anatomy,
understood all.
physiology. Yeah, people call me and they always say, because gym trainers, aerobic trainers, they are not from the science background. Basically, they are from sports background, and always people ask me, I have never studied. I have people who have like I have launched a brand of Nutri Yoga for my student Neetu Sharma ji. She is MCA, Masters in Computer Application. Now one more is coming up, Sonal. She's professor environmental science. She's environmental scientist. So people have not studied their body, they have studied other subjects, but now they are too core into their own body. Now they have learned, and they always say, you made anatomy, physiology, exercise science is so simple. Now we have understood everything what our teachers
Really,
taught us in
that's
8, 9,
true.
12, 10. We have never understood anything. We have just jumped from those subjects, biology and 10th class biology to 8th class biology, and we have never understood our own body. We don't know we have two respiration system. We don't know we have two circulatory system. We don't know anything about our body. And I said, I am on my mission that please learn yourself, not only about your body, understand about your mind, and also understand about your soul. So
I'm
the book which was Amazon bestseller, now I have 3 book. Nutri Yoga is also now bestseller on Amazon, and you have searched my books on Amazon also. So
yes.
my first book,
Well,
Martial and
that's what
my.
I said. My words, my answers are not going to get finished at all. I reply, I'm not going to get.
So the closing line of my Martial the Mind book is, your soul is weeping to meet you. So sit with your soul and understand and meet your soul, because I believe everyone is genius. They don't know what potential they have, they don't know what they can do. And our education fabrication is also like that, our social fabrication is also like that, that if you are in a one corner you cannot go across to the other one. you know so people have missing links where they can pursue their passion, where they know. Now one of my mentee, she has resigned from NDTV after 6.5 years, and she said, I'm done with the corporate, and I just want to become a yoga trainer now, and I want rest of my life I can go ahead with yoga and Ayurveda. That's it. I don't want to be in that profession anymore because of the burnout, because of the overuse syndromes. Mind, it has blown up. So she has resigned, and it was very shock for the family also. But yes, there are the things which can learn, and which can be learned, and you can handle your body and mind situation, and also you can purify your soul to go ahead on your own passion, find your genius within yourself, take help. And it's a very systematic method from where you can start your journey if you are passionate about health sciences, wellness, fitness, nutrition, any kind. And if you are, the first and foremost thing is, if you are ready to help society, If that is your aim, if you are empathetic, if you know I want to serve to the society, I want to heal people, so join my mission. I am on my mission. Mission Million Trainers. Join my mentor program, Genius Within Yourself. Marshal the mind to be succeed, to be successful in any spectrum of your life, because it starts from the mind. So that's a
You
beautiful
made me
journey.
so you made me so confident, ma'am. Like, I can assure and I can sit for entrance MBBS international entrance exam, like SMT. I
Wow.
can, and I can guarantee you, like, I will pass.
I
I
know.
will score.
For you, I'm 100% sure for you, because I know if a person has an inclination to learn more, that's why I always say, you have just talked that uh, even being a professor, whatever you are earning, you are now added your earning because of this Ayurveda nutrition course, and it's a very small certificate course. So that's my tagline of Institute for Sports and Fitness Development: learn more, earn more. Earning will come, success will come. First is to set the passion and the
Absolutely.
focus and your intention to the universe, that yes, you are going to help society. Universe will help you out. Universe will open up your all the chakras, open up your all wisdom brain, and it will enhance your knowledge. Like right now you must be surprised for yourself also, how I am learning so much, how I'm learning so fast now, how I'm understanding the anatomy and physiology so easy that I am ready to crack the MBBS exam.
Yes,
You
of
know,
course, ma'am. I'm ready with 19 subjects. 19
right?
subjects. It's like, wow. I just wanted to, I told my sister, let me appear for this exam. If I would get an opportunity, I would like to sit for this
You
exam.
are too young to avail any kind of opportunity. Go ahead if you want to, because the empathy you have, the inclination towards learning you have, that can make you a very refined healing doctor, or help for the society. And I will feel proud that I have, I found one gem of the person from the society and helped her with my few, tidbits here and there, my information and knowledge, that she has become such a, and she can pursue, a big career also. That's so amazing. That's so
Thanks
amazing.
to you, ma'am. Thanks to you.
And
The credit goes to you. The credit goes to you. And during my masters, when I was the first topper, that time my credit goes to my Mukti Patel ma'am and Shobha ma'am and Sharma ma'am. Because of
that's true.
faculties, students are, ma'am, because of faculties, students are on the top. Because of
That's why I
you,
always tell people, teaching, please do not become teacher if you don't have passion. Please do not join this industry, because this is the most dedicated industry. We have, as a teacher, we have the future of our students in our hand. Most of the time, if people are not understood science or mathematics properly, because of the teachers, the way they are teaching. So having a good teacher plays a very important role in a success of a student. And I am here just because of my teachers. They have worked so hard during my school also. I'm blessed. We had a very beautiful teachers, and during my college journey also, and still we have a very blessings of our teachers with us. Anytime we can contact them and we can discuss them. So of course teacher plays a very important role, and it is a
yes,
very
ma'am.
important job.
That's what,
We
ma'am,
need only dedicated teachers. We just don't want anyone to dilute our community.
that's
And
what
you
my
are also
students are
very
my
good
fan.
teacher.
Students are my fan, ma'am. They just
I
want
I'm sure.
something.
I'm sure, because you have that dedication, inclination to help people. And for the teachers and for the healers, we need passion and empathy. That's all. That's all. Money will flow from every corner of your spectrum of your life. I always tell, कहाँ से money आएगा तुम्हें पता भी नहीं होगा. You will find it out. The universe will help you out if your inclination and your intentions are clear about helping the society. So thank you
Yes,
so much, and all the best for your all future endeavors. Keep in touch, Keep informing
Yeah.
me, and I will keep inviting you for your
Course.
success
Thank you
stories.
so
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
so much. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you for sharing your time. Bless you.